So Martha, we got a problem. Look in here. Can you see that? Let me see. Hold on. There's mold growing in my embe, my philodendron embe, my philodendron burrow marks, whatever you want to call it. It has both names. She has two names. So I'm gonna try an old remedy, and let's hope that this works. Hold on, my camera ain't working. Okay, and what is this remedy? Cinnamon. I only have capsules, so that's what I'm going to use. And we're going to sprinkle that on the dirt, on the substrate. And I'm going to do this all over my philodendron because I don't want it, I don't want to lose it to mold. So I'm going to give you updates. I know this is ghetto, me using my my medicine, but it's the same cinnamon. So I'm going to put that over all of the problem areas, and hopefully this won't be a huge problem for long. Okay. Okay, so that's it for now. Let me show you. You'll just kind of like evenly spread that around. We're gonna check on it in the next couple weeks, next couple days, and hopefully that won't be a problem for long. All right, see you guys later.